Good morning, Harrison. I'm Lori Rottmeyer, and I am here with my fellow ambassadors in the red coats and members of the Chamber Board and other guests, and we are here to welcome Armor Insurance Brokers to the Chamber. I have with me Steve and Christina, who are the people who are going to run the show there. They are the owners of the insurance. They are the brokers. So let me ask you, what are you going to offer Harrison?
Well, what we can do for the Harrison is bring the community together and provide coverages for those who don't have it or not happy with what they have when it comes to health insurance, especially when it comes to small businesses. We can provide group coverages at a lower rate than you can find on the market. And for the individuals that aren't looking for group coverage, we also do individual and family plans.
And this is not home and auto, correct?
No, that would be property and casualty, which is P&C, which we do have a specialist for that. But our major line of business is health and life insurance.
Great. And Christina, you're also a travel agent, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Can you explain to me what an insurance broker is?
Well, there's two types of individuals in the industry. There's navigators and the brokers. Navigators are individuals that pretty much point folks to where they need to go. My line of business and me being a broker is basically a personal shopper. So I personally shop for the person that's looking for coverages or need to increase their benefits. It doesn't cost them any extra money, and I'm able to show folks and make them aware of options that are available that they have no idea that it's even out there to get.
That's great. And how do we find you?
You can go to armorinsurancebrokerage.com. We also have a Facebook page and word of mouth and through the chamber.
Awesome. And now I would like to pass this on to Kathy Golden.
Thank you. Good morning, the Baileys.
Hi, Kathy.
I'm Kathy Golden. I'm here to welcome you on behalf of the Board of Directors of the Chamber.
Thank you.
Welcome. We appreciate your joining the Chamber, and we hope you enjoy the benefits of the Chamber. It's my understanding that the kind of work you do, you could really do from anywhere. Is that right?
Yes, we pretty much can work from anywhere. We work in 39 different states, and we work all over the country, helping folks one application at a time.
Well, we appreciate your choosing Harrison as your place to live and work and play and learn, and we appreciate your joining the Chamber. In your line of work, there are so many people that do need help with their decision making in the healthcare line and the life insurance line, and your services will add to the abundance that we are acquiring here in Harrison. So thank you very much for being here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hey, good morning again.
Good morning.
Christina and Steve. Thanks for moving to Harrison. They shared with me that they moved here about 3 years ago and came over to take care of your dad and decided to stay. You know, when I was thinking about you all this morning, I went on Facebook and looked at your page, and all I saw was these positive posts. I had to double check and make sure I was on Facebook. It had me worried and they were all talking about him, you know, how great a guy he was. I mean, you guys got to read this stuff. And I think it must have been from friends, relatives or something, because there wasn't a bad one on there. They were all good. But really, Steve, you must also offer awesome customer service. And the great thing about the insurance industry is everybody needs it. And they don't need, they need it every year. They buy it every year. It's not like the real estate business where you buy a house every 27 years. But seriously, thank you for joining. Good to meet you both.
Thank you very much.
And welcome again to Harrison and the Harrison Chamber.
Thank you.
We'll give it to our leader, Bob Largent.
Hey, Bob.
Well, Steve and Christina, I'll tell you, this is exciting. Lori asked you the right questions. Kathy told you how important this is. Jerry has made the case that this is the place for you guys to be. So on behalf of the entire chamber and the community, welcome to Harrison and to the Harrison Regional Chamber of Commerce. We're going to make it official. So we're going to cut the ribbon, but be careful. We don't want you to hurt yourself on those sharp scissors. So get the scissors in there and ready to cut. And on 3, let's welcome them. 1, 2, 3. Hey, congratulations.